This video is about absolute and relative self referencing, and I'm gonna show you a real example how to do that. So, what is self referencing? For example, here the sales agents names, column A, and column B sales amount, and column C the rate of commission. So we have to find the amount of commission by multiplying the rate of commission and the sales amount. So the employer is giving the commission to each sales agent based on different rates. So when we use the function equal sign from the keyboard, sales amount, which is B3 for Emily Johnson, and multiplying with this rate of commission, we are getting this amount of commission. So this function is giving us the amount of commission for Emily Johnson, but for Michael Smith the rate is different, 5%, and his sales amount is 73,556. So when we press the fill handle, double click it, and we can see that the Excel is doing the rest of the things by itself automatically, but using different rates, like the rates below the first cell. Like the first cell was for Emily Johnson, it was 3%, and for Michael Smith now is 5%. C4, you see, 5%, and for Ava Martinez is 6%. C5 is 6%. So this kind of cell referencing is called relative cell referencing, because the employer is giving different rates for different sales agents. Okay, so but when employer or the company it plan to give sales different sales agents using the singular, like the fixed commission rate, then we cannot use this kind of function multiplication to find the amount of commission. We have to lock this cell to find this amount of commission for each sales agents. Okay, let's do this. Let's see what happens if we let's undo the whole calculation. So if we multiply B3 with F3, we get this amount of commission, but when we try to fill handle the rest, it doesn't show any amount of commission. And this is because, okay, let's look at the formula bar here. Is B4 multiplying F4, but F4 there is nothing here. So Excel is misinterpreting the rate from the cells below here. F5, nothing in F5. So this way we cannot use the fixed commission rate for finding the amount of commission. We have to lock this cell to find the rest. So how do we do that? So we can press the cursor here, and before 3 we use the dollar sign, and before F dollar sign. So if we press now, this F3 cell is locked here, and now we can use the fill handle for the rest. Now it's working. So let's look at here. Is CC B4, so it's multiplying B4 with F3, still F3, B5 F3, still B6 F3. So what Excel did, Excel locked this F3 cell to multiply for all the sales agents sales figure. So this way we can find We can do relative cell referencing to use fixed sales rate, commission rate, but when we do absolute sales relative commission rate, then we just do the normal. So, and there is another shortcut here. So to lock a cell, instead of using the $sign, we can also do another thing. Let's select F3. So we can just press F4 on the keyboard, and it automatically place the $sign before the digits required, and enter. Same thing. So this is a shortcut to lock a cell, which is called absolute cell referencing. Thank you. That's all for this video. Thank you.